Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a very simple maybe Turkish, maybe not Turkish meal. It is somehow vegan. While I'm making this food, I wanna also try as much as possible to answer some of the questions that I have received several times, especially on my other platform concerning Turkish food. So I'm gonna quickly go through the like the questions, and also you're gonna be watching me making this meal for today. It is very simple, that's why I'm taking opportunity to actually answer some of these questions. Okay, so let's discuss about common questions when it comes to Turkish food or Turkish culture in terms of food. Okay, I'm gonna be very brief in answering the questions, but you can also do your own research. Now, let's start with the question number one that I was asked. What are the essential spices in Turkish cooking? Now, some of the common spices that I know that are mainly used in Turkish food are actually sometimes we have sumac, we have paprika, we have cumin, we have red pepper, flakes, and more. Okay, so those are just commonly used, and they're not all of them. Let's move on to question number two, which is how can I make traditional Turkish tea at home? Now, when you're making Turkish tea, I don't know if you have seen previously my videos, we normally have two pots. The down pot, like the first pot, you have to put or you have to add in water, plain water, and then on the top you're gonna add in you're gonna put plain water and tea leaves. Okay, so they are at the same level cooking, and when the down water start to boiling, it's gonna hit the up water so that the tea can be sweet and very very delicious. In Turkey, I think they normally say çaydanlık or çaydanlık, double teapot to brew black tea leaves. So you serve it in small tulip-shaped glass with some sugar. Okay, so that basically that's the main essence of making traditional Turkish tea. Okay. A third question that I normally get is, what is the difference between kebabs in Turkish cuisines? Now, we have Adana kebabs, which are spicy and ground meat based. Iskender features thinly sliced meat over pita, and also while shish kebabs uses stewed marinated meat. So we have different kinds of kebabs. If you have visited Turkey, you're gonna love them. They are all amazing and delicious. Coming at number four is, can you recommend vegetarian or vegan Turkish dishes? Yes, like the one I'm cooking right now, it is almost vegan because they are all vegetables. Actually, I'm not adding in any meat or stuff. It is one of my best. It is very simple, nutritious. It involves all kind of greeny vegetables like spinach and carrots, and it's just amazing for to eat, especially for little kids who want to explore more, or for vegans people. Now, coming back to my question, can you recommend vegetarian or vegan Turkish dishes? Vegetarian options include stuffed grapes leaves, dolma. We call them dolma in Turkey. And we also have lentil soups or marshmek çorbası in Turkish. That's the name. And sometimes we have spinach börek. Okay, if you have visited Turkey during the breakfast, they're gonna serve you spinach börek, and you can actually adapt to various recipes for vegan versions here in Turkey, and that's not all. Okay, now coming at number five is, what's the secret to making baklava with perfect layers? That one I don't know, but I think like I've never made baklava, but I have seen in most cases they normally actually make thin polio duff layers and a flavorful syrup, which are the main key. Now you have to make sure that you are adding in more butter and bake with care for more time, and also it's gonna make it crispy and also flaky texture. So they have their own way of making it, but it's good. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna teach you. Now, how can I choose? Coming to number 6, how can I choose and prepare Turkish coffee? You have to choose finely ground Turkish coffee beans, then brew in we have this small pot we normally use traditionally, but nowadays we have machine that can be used to actually make Turkish coffee, and then serve in small cups, ground settled at the bottom. Okay, so the difference is that Turkish tea normally the grounds normally settle down on the cup, on the small cups, and then serve. Don't forget water, guys, okay, because it is more strong. Now, coming at number 7 is, what are some of the common mezes or messes, appetizers rather, in Turkish cuisine? Now, in terms of appetizers in Turkey, we have a lot of them. Now, popular messes include they include actually some some leaves, kind of vegetables. We have chachik. You have seen me making it. Is just yogurt and cucumber dip. We have eczema or spicy tomato and pepper dip. We have a lot of them, but I'm just mentioning because I need to demonstrate for you guys to understand. Okay, now coming to my number 8 question is, how do I properly store and use pomegranate molasses? Not XXC. It is in Turkish. My husband normally say it well, but I can't say it well. It is just pomegranate molasses. You have seen me making with some stuff before. So you can store it in a cool, dark place, and you use it for salad dressing, to marinate, or even drizzle or on to add flavor on stuff that you are making. Okay. Coming at number 9 is, can you share a simple recipe for Turkish delight? Wow, delight, lokum. I've never made Turkish lokum in my videos here, but I'll make maybe soon. So if I'm not wrong, you can actually just mix sugar, water, flavorings, and then cook it to thick consistency, then let it cool, then cut into squares and coat with powdered sugar. That is a simple lokum. Last but not least, it was the significance of Turkish breakfast or kahvaltı. Now, in Turkey, we normally say breakfast kahvaltı. Kahvaltı is just breakfast, but it is the name they normally use is here commonly. Turkish breakfast is a very cherished tradition with olives, cheese, meat, or bread drinks, and various spreads, various stuff, and also it includes a whole table of content or a whole table of stuff. Ideally, it is for actually just giving you that leisurely mornings when you have your family there, and it's gonna be so awesome. And also, as well as it provides in terms of health wise, you will find that we have all variety of ingredients or all variety of food, which are so mainly good, especially for people who are in diet. You have to eat well during the breakfast, so that even when you skip the lunchtime, then the breakfast will replace what you haven't eaten. It is one way of actually bringing also family together, because when they come together, they share the chai or the cup of tea together. They talk, they laugh, and they start the day. It is just amazing way of actually bonding together. So I hope I have answered some of the questions. If you want me to demonstrate what I have just said here, I'll do it in my next videos. If you have more questions about Turkish food, Turkish culture, Turkish relationships, Turkish business, Turkish trips, Turkish travel destination, anything you have, especially concerning the video that I have made, let me know in the comment section. I'll be so glad to read some of the questions, and also try as much as possible to answer according to my opinions and my experience here and there. Otherwise, until next time, again, I'll see you. Bye bye.